Today's reflection is Stoic teachings on solitude for the modern world, finding wisdom in solitude. In the hustle and bustle of the modern era, loneliness is often seen as a burden to be avoided at all costs. However, Stoic philosophers such as Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and Epictetus offer transformative insight into loneliness. They teach us to not just accept it, but to embrace it as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Below are 10 Stoic teachings about solitude and how they can illuminate our lives in today's world. 1. Understanding the nature of loneliness. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that you have within you many powerful faculties that you cannot even imagine. Loneliness is not a void, but a space to explore the depths of our own mind and heart. It is an invitation to discover inner resources that often remain dormant in the hustle and bustle of the outside world. 2. The art of becoming yourself's best friend. Seneca emphasizes that if one does not have joy within oneself, it is useless to look for it in others. Loneliness offers the opportunity to become your own best friend and companion. By learning to enjoy our own company, we find an inexhaustible source of contentment that does not depend on external circumstances. 3. The valuation of silent reflection. Epictetus teaches us that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen more than we speak. Loneliness invites us to practice the art of internal listening. It is a time to reflect on our thoughts, feelings, and aspirations without the external influences that often cloud our vision. 4. Solitude as a path to virtue. For Epictetus, it is better to be defeated with virtue than to win with vices. In solitude, we are challenged to cultivate and strengthen virtues such as patience, courage, and wisdom. It is fertile ground for moral growth and the building of solid character. Alt break time 3.0s 5. Building meaningful relationships. Seneca warns us to choose the company of people better than yourself. Solitude does not imply permanent isolation, but rather the opportunity to discern and cultivate relationships that are authentic and uplifting. It's a pause that allows us to evaluate the quality of the connections we nurture in our lives. 6. Finding harmony in nature. The Stoics believed in the unity between humans and the universe. Marco Aurelio reminds us that the universe is change, life is opinion. In solitude, we can tune in to the rhythms of nature and realize our own mutability. It helps us accept impermanence and find peace in the constant flow of life. 7. Acceptance of loneliness as a lesson. Epictetus reminds us that it is not the things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them. By accepting loneliness as an inevitable part of the human experience, we are able to transcend the suffering that often accompanies it. It is a lesson that true peace lies in the calm acceptance of reality. Alt break time 3.3s 8. Practicing gratitude for the opportunity of solitude. Alt break times 3.0s. Seneca encourages us to give thanks to those who do you harm, for it teaches tolerance. In the same way, we can be grateful for solitude, as it teaches us to value the presence of others and not to take human relationships for granted. 9. Developing an unbiased perspective. Marco Aurelio invites us to look at things as they are. In solitude, we are challenged to see ourselves and the world around us more objectively. This helps us overcome hasty judgments and cultivate a deeper understanding of reality. 10. Transforming loneliness into a journey of spiritual growth. Epictetus reminds us that it is not the circumstances that disturb us, but the view we take of them. In solitude, we find the opportunity to delve into the depths of our own soul and seek a higher meaning. It is an invitation to transcend the limitations of everyday existence and seek the wisdom that lies beyond appearances. In an era when loneliness is often viewed with trepidation, Stoic teachings offer a valuable roadmap for transforming it into a journey of growth and enlightenment. By embracing solitude with a Stoic mindset, we discover that it is more than an absence of companionship. It is a portal to self-transformation and the discovery of deeper meaning in life. May we, then, embrace solitude as a wise ally on our journey into the modern era.